Mabuhay! Malugod namin kayong tinatanggap sa ating lipad dito sa Philippine Airlines. Once again, welcome on board Philippine Airlines. Electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shades open, and your tray tables and footrests stowed. For your safety, ensure your seatbelt is fastened at all times. Inyong lumipat ng upuan, agad na ipagbigay alam sa inyong mga cabin crew.